What if I told you that your financial future could be completely transformed in just 10 minutes a day? No complicated spreadsheets, no starving yourself with extreme budgeting. The truth is that wealth isn't built overnight. I'm a big fan of continuous improvements through small consistent actions. Now what if you applied the same philosophy into your money? Tiny daily habits that compound into life-changing results. And today, I'm gonna give you 4-step system backed by 2024 and 2025 data that takes just 10 minutes a day but could make you financially unstoppable. Let's go! Step number 1. The 3-minute money knowledge microdose. Only 27% of Americans feel confident building an investment plan. Meanwhile, millionaires, 88% of them, spend 30 minutes plus daily learning about money. But this is the good news. You don't need 30 minutes. You just need 3. Your 3-minute options are: read a financial article from CNBC, Bloomberg or Investopedia. You can watch a YouTube video about finance like you are doing right now, listen to a podcast clip, or read one page of a book about money. If you improve your financial knowledge just 1% a day, in 1 year you will be 37 times smarter. For example, day 1 you will learn what Roth IRA is. On day 10 you understand how compound interest works. On day 30 you confidently investing. On day 90 you are making moves most people never will. And if you'd like to know how I evaluate companies and what's my step-by-step investing process, you can get my ebook, first link in the description, or you can scan this QR code. So in under a year, you've gone from clueless to confident, and tools like my ebook can shortcut the journey. Step number 2. The 5-minute wealth builder move. Now let's turn knowledge into action. Every day spend 5 minutes taking one small wealth building move. Doesn't sound like much, but this is where the compounding magic happens. There are 4 categories you can do. Category number 1. Boost your income. Apply to one higher paying job per day. In 90 days, you've applied to 90 roles. Reach out to one LinkedIn connection or mentor. Networking compounds. Learn one micro skill like Excel shortcuts, AI tools, or sales scripts. These can add up fast and help you to negotiate pay rise or promotion. Category number 2. Grow your investments. Buy, for example, $10 worth of an index fund. Automate a $50 weekly transfer into your Roth IRA. Research one new wealth building vehicle like real estate, ETFs, or dividend stocks. Fidelity reported in 2024 that the average 401k millionaire isn't someone rich, it's someone consistent who contributes every month no matter what. Third category is cut your expenses. Cancel one unused subscription. Americans spend an average of $219 a month on unused subscriptions. That's $2,628 a year. Call one provider, insurance, internet, phone, because studies show that 70% of bill negotiations save money on the first try. Delay one impulse purchase for 24 hours. You will be shocked how often the urge disappears. Category number 4. Build a side hustle. Spend 5 minutes brainstorming ideas. Set up a simple website or social media page. Post one piece of content daily. In 90 days, you've got 90 posts. That's momentum. So let's go to the next step, the third one, the 2-minute net worth pulse. Most people track their spending, but wealthy track something else, net worth. Why this matters? In 2024, Investopedia reported that 66% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even with record high wages. Meanwhile, according to Debt.com, 84% of people who track their finances are more likely to pay off debt and stay out of it. Now this is how to do it in just 2 minutes. Open an app like Empower, Mint or YNAB. Look at your net worth trend line. Is it going up or down? And ask yourself, what pulled it down? Subscriptions, bad investments, credit card interest. What pulled it up? Paycheck, investments, savings. Imagine stepping on the scale every day but never checking your weight. That's how most people treat their finances. But when you do a daily pulse check, you can catch problems before they spiral. You can also set an automatic alert, balance under $200 or large transaction. That way, you don't just check, your phone warns you before money trouble sneaks up. Step number 4. The 1-minute nightly money reset. This is where the psychology meets money. At the end of each day, ask yourself, did my money today go toward my freedom or someone else's? For example, $20 spent on Uber Eats, you bought someone else's freedom. $20 invested in an ETF, you bought your freedom. It sounds small, but this reflection rewires your brain from consumer to investor. Over the time, it changes your identity into someone who automatically builds wealth. So let's summarize. 3 minutes, money microdose learning. 5 minutes, wealth building action. 2 minutes, network pulse check. 1 minute, money mindset reset. That's just 11 minutes a day, but it's the most difference between being broke at 65 or financially free at 45. This is my challenge to you. Do this for 30 days straight, then come back and comment how much closer you feel to financial freedom. And remember, the difference between rich and broke isn't luck, it's daily habits. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.